The animal kingdom. A remarkable array of living, breathing natural wonders. Majestic. Compelling. Ingenious. And extraordinary. Fascinating. Physical. Visceral. And ferocious. Discover their past, present, and future. Just stunning. Just glorious. Just amazing. Just animals. Big cats. The largest felines in the world. It's an elite group with only 4 members. Tigers, lions, jaguars, and leopards. The determining factor that allows entry into this quartet? A big cat's ability to roar. These impressive mammals are found in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. Apart from their roar, big cats all have magnificent coats, each with their own distinct colors and patterns. Their attractive exteriors are one of many reasons these exotic felines are admired. Natural power, cunning stealth, and remarkable presence all add to the global appeal of big cats. In the animal kingdom, big cats belong to the Felidae family, a group of carnivorous or meat-eating mammals. As mammals, female big cats give birth to live young, called cubs, which suckle on mother's milk. Having fur is another mammalian characteristic. How lush the coat is depends on the cat's habitat. Species from cooler climates tend to have thicker fur. It is thought that 38 species of cats prowl the world. Big or small, every cat belongs to one of 2 subfamilies. Big cats belong to the Pantherinae subfamily, while the remainder of cat species belong to the Felinae subfamily. It might be surprising that large cats, such as cheetahs and cougars, aren't classed as big cats. But this is not determined by size. As mentioned earlier, it all depends on whether the cat can roar or not. Some other examples from the Felinae subfamily are servals and bobcats. While this side of the family can purr, big cats can't. As we know, they roar.
Ang traffic? Make it Christmas with
A vocalization made possible by 2 special anatomical features. One is a flexible hyoid apparatus in their throat, a combination of bone and ligament. The further it stretches, the deeper the roar. The shape of their vocal cords also makes roaring possible. Theirs are flat and square, which requires a smaller amount of lung pressure to produce loud sounds. Lions have the longest larynxes or voice boxes and are capable of the loudest roars. Similar in volume to a rock concert, 114 decibels, verging on being painful to hear. Like their smaller relatives, big cats have sleek, flexible, muscular bodies. Long tails are a common feature, often between a third to a half of the cat's body length. When in motion, cats walk on their toes. This form of locomotion is called digitigrade. Feline paws have soft pads on the soles, and their claws are protractable. At rest, the claws are retracted, hidden away. When needed, the muscles in the cat's toes contract, forcing the claws to protract or extend out of their sheaths. Sharp claws are coupled with strong jaws and sharp teeth. Compared to other mammals, felines have shorter faces, which means they have less space for teeth. Cats have 30, compared to the 42 teeth housed in the long muzzles of dogs. Felines do put what teeth they have to efficient use. Long, strong canines are used to stab and kill prey. Tigers have the longest in any cat, up to 7.5 centimeters long. Felines have molars called carnassials, which work like scissors, shredding meat as they move against each other. Cats are also known for their rough tongues, which are covered with backward-facing spines that rasp or scrape off feathers, fur, and meat. In addition, their tongues make effective grooming tools. With their list of lethal features combined with strength and intelligence, it's no surprise that big cats are some of the most successful terrestrial predators on the planet. Cats are adaptable creatures and are found on every continent except Antarctica. The largest felines of all, tigers, can be found in Asia, which hosts 6 subspecies. These big cats are known for their vertically striped coats of reddish-orange fur. Similar to fingerprints, the striped patterns on a tiger are unique to each animal. Markings continue down to their tails, which are ringed by dark bands. Tigers are sturdy cats with short, thick necks, wide shoulders, and large, muscular forelimbs. The perfect build to wrestle and hold prey. Siberian or Amur tigers are the heavyweights of the tiger world. Males can weigh about 320 kilos. Females are close to half their size. In the wild, these endangered cats persist in Russia's Far East, plus small areas near the border of China, with some possibly inhabiting regions in North Korea. The thick fur on a Siberian tiger is pale orange, the lightest of all tigers, with brown, not black stripes. Around their necks, they have a ruff of white fur to match their pale chests and bellies. In the past, Siberians were larger animals. But recent studies show Bengal tigers now have the longest bodies, measuring up to 310 centimeters, 60 centimeters longer than their Siberian cousins. Bengals are primarily found in the Indian subcontinent, explaining why they're also known as Indian tigers. While they are endangered, Bengals are the most common tiger species. Their orangey-red fur is accented with black stripes. A rare form of Bengal is the white tiger. They are not albinos. They are what's known as leucistic, a genetic condition that causes them to lack pigment in their fur. The smallest in the group is the Sumatran tiger, a critically endangered species from its namesake Indonesian island. Compared to other subspecies,